Welcome back, guys. Today we will be dyeing some bundles. I'm trying to get one of those pretty copper brown orange looks. I have 3 bundles, 10, 12, 14, and a front. I have a closure. I'm not a fan of the frontals. Now the items that I have to use, I'm gonna try a different type of developer today. We're gonna try 30V developer. Make it a little bit not as strong as the 50. And then the quick blue L'Oreal bleach and a dye brush. So guys, this time I'm going to start with just one bundle because I don't want to spend all this money and then it turns out not correct. So I'm gonna start with the 14-inch. The reason why is because I wanted a short hairstyle. So with the 14-inch, if I mess it up, it could be cut. So we'll go ahead and start mixing. Make sure you put on some gloves. You don't want your hands to change colors. Keep adding developer until you get the consistency that you like. You want to go ahead and mix it up. I only got this brush because I saw other people using them, but I definitely like to use my hands better than this. Maybe I like to feel it better. I actually was shocked at how quickly this started to dye. I have never had hair dye this quickly before. So I'm going to try something new, add a little bit of Olor 39 orange blaze to it to see if it gives it an additional orange tint. So I'm seeing that this took about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm just doing the ends to make it more light at the ends to give it a little, layered effect. I'm gonna start on 12. Make sure you're getting all up in and through the bundles, because my mistake on the first one was pretty much just turning it over and thinking that the dye was going to seep through, but it wasn't. So here I am going ahead and parting it and then brushing, which shows that the brush actually helped a little bit with that, because then I didn't have to use my hands and it's skinny, so I'm able to just stick it right through to get through as much as I can and then get to mixing up. I'm running out of dye and developer. A lot of people like to dye the net on the closures of frontals, but I allowed my stylist to do so because I didn't trust myself doing that. So I just let her do it. And she did a great job. So I actually like the color that came out. What y'all think? Love it.